G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Katran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Empress Sailing. In this episode we sail from La Rochelle to Bilbao. We cross the Bay of Biscay. We decided to do this, not go on a truck, because the truck was going to take 3 or 4 weeks of waiting till there was one available. And we decided it was stoerder or tougher to keep going anyway. So let's cross the Bay of Biscay. So it's Giro's night tonight. Yes, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. And,
Good morning.
We're about to cross the Bay of Biscay.
It's the morning of the crossing of the Bay of Biscay.
Yeah, it's gonna be a really light wind start. And tonight's gonna be a very sporty night. But it's this crossing, or stuck another week probably, waiting for more for another window. So got about a meter to sea, and we'll get with night 15 to 20 knots of wind. So let's do this thing.
So the others are just up there. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're getting ready to leave La Rochelle and cross the Bay of Biscay. So just doing a quick briefing with the other guys, the doggies, and yeah, ready to rock and roll, I think. Bit nervous.
Bye-bye, La Rochelle.
Early this morning. What time is it?
7:05.
Wow. Why did you get up so early?
So we're well and truly on the way now, about an hour and a half. We're motoring to get past the island. We'll stay a little bit, let's say, light wind till this afternoon. Then slowly starts filling in, get the wind from the back. Tonight we're going to get about 15 to 20 knots of wind, first from the back and later from the side. Yeah, so we'll make sure we're rested before we go into the night. Let's see. En mobiel, dat vind ik de pakken vandaag. So we tried a bit of sailing, and about 4 knots for a little bit, and then the wind died down. And now we're back to motoring again. We're 4 hours on the way. We've done 20 nautical miles, so making a good average of 5 nautical miles. 5 knots.
So you've seen some dolphins?
Yeah.
They didn't come to the boat though, did they? No.
Just the back of a fin.
Saw the dorsal fin.
Oh my god!
Well, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been on the way for 8.5 hours now. And we're without internet. Not more connected anymore to the world. So the books have come out. So after a successful pole install, today is the day to use it. Got a perfect downwind run. So I set the pole up, pulled Genoa out for the first time. Woohoo! Actually using the pole. And yeah, it's awesome. Got one reef already in the main, ready for tonight. And we're doing about 4 knots downwind, with 10 knots of wind. And what are you having for dinner tonight, Anouk?
Pasta salad.
Pasta salad for passage. What is Mummy having?
The same pasta with bolognese sauce.
Yeah, we pre-cooked the pasta.
Yeah,
Was it handy?
it's nice and warm. It's just got cold.
Yeah, everybody can have whatever they want.
Yeah.
Awesome. And Fleur already finished.
No. Cheers.
Cheers. To crossing the Bay of Biscay.
Yeah.
Look at his little white bunny. Big funk here. I wouldn't stand on it.
And thanks for doing the dishes, Flo.
No problem.
Want some reading, look? And let's watch the sun.
12 o'clock at night, and we're clobbering along the Bay of Biscay with about 13-14 knots of wind. We're doing about 6.5 knots, 7 knots already. So yeah, I've already reefed the head sail down a little bit, and if the wind keeps moving up, I'll just reef a bit further. Yeah. So good morning everybody, it's about 5:30 now, and we're still going. So we've got a nice beam reach now, and slowly the sun is starting to come up. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, the 8th of August, and the sun is just coming up. We're still on the way. Making pretty good speed, but 4.5 knots. Not breaking any records, but we're nearing into our 24-hour on the way, and we've done about 120 kilometers, nautical miles, 120 nautical miles. So that's decent effort.
You don't want to turn the engine on? Good morning. So it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and we don't dare eat anything because I was chucking my guts up last night on night watch, and we're just gently sipping water.
So it's motoring again. The wind was finished. We tried sailing, but I was just doing 2 knots. So turn the motor back on. If we keep motoring another 10 hours to Bilbao, we'll be there at about 10 o'clock tonight.
Oh, on the Spanish waters.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Across the border.
They're gonna come say hi, you reckon? Hi, dolphin. Maybe they're just fish. Oh, look, they're massive fish.
A fish, Papa.
Wow.
we're approaching land, getting closer and closer. You can see the mountains already, and very exciting. Just waiting now for the starling to come back on, and yeah, happy days. We all take this French flag down. It's been up here for 3 months since Dunkirk.
Yeah.
Now it's
Time to go. Bye bye, France. Is it? Bowline. Cool on the
Whee!
all the way up.
Yeah. Thank you.
To like there.
Well done.
Yeah, nice. Pretty cool, actually.
I like to think of language.
How is it, Fleur?
Yummy.
Good.
So 20 more minutes before we get to the port. There's a big oil tanker sitting here waiting outside. There's a big oil tanker just about to come out here. So what am I gonna do?
And how's your passage been, guys?
Super well.
You reckon it's been good, no?
Yeah.
So we're just coming into the harbour of Bilbao, and it's very industrial. Massive ships and stuff. We've managed. We've had a good passage. We've all slept, and we've all puked, and we've all eaten, except for God.
So everyone puked except for Papa.
Yeah.
That's good. Today,
We've experimented with some new meds. I think I've used about 4 different things against seasickness. And yeah, towards the end here, just this area back here, it was really choppy, just like the IJsselmeer. And yeah, I'm happy to be going into port tonight. Had enough. You want to go to New Zealand?